Good morning guys, it is first Saturday in isolation, so I thought we would do a little vlog. I've literally had a lie-in because I'm like, there's no point getting up early because I'm not going to do anything. So I let myself have a lie-in this morning. It is 11:20. I got up, I did my makeup, I'm not doing my hair, I put it up in a high ponytail. I've just been wearing my hair like natural every day. And yeah, today I want to get some plants repotted. I also seen a recipe to make oat milk. Kind of want to do that, and then I think tonight we're having like family night where we're gonna like all watch a movie together, and I think mum's made like Indian food, so that should be good. Also last night, just want to put this out there, an idea for friends to do. We ended up all playing Cards Against Humanity together, like, but it was like online, so there was me, Carly, even Laura all played it. Oh my gosh, I haven't laughed that much in so long. Like, it was so funny. Like, we were all literally sweating from laughing so much, and it was just so funny. So I'll see if I can find the link to the Cards Against Humanity that we played. It was actually Eve that found it, so if I can find it I'll link it down below, but you should go and play it with your friends. It's so funny. We were literally just all on like a Facebook group chat with each other, like on the FaceTime bit of it, and we literally set up Cards Against Humanity and played it for about like 3 hours. It was so funny. But we're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna make myself a green tea and fill my water up and have some water. Also, side note, see, for ages I've really wanted to know how people do this like eye look. It's like a smoked liner. People usually wear like lashes with it, but I feel like I've kind of found, like, this one here is a lot better than this side, but I feel like I've found a good colour for it. So I might do a tutorial of it. I might do like some quick easy eye looks, because my friend wanted me to film an eye look that I did the other day as well. So I might do that tomorrow, because I fake tanned last night, so maybe do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and make some food because I'm hungry. Good morning. Good morning. We're vlogging.
Good read.
Me. What's cooking good looking? What the hell is that?
Here we have mushrooms, red wine, garlic, onion, cream, butter.
Looks like dog food. Morning, Mum.
Good morning, my darling daughter. How are we today?
Oh, my chicken zoom in. Morning, Archie! Let's go out and see him. Archie! Good morning! I don't know what is wrong with this dog. I think he might want chased. Ah, I was right. Oh. Oh. Bye. In the menu today we've got some hummus, flatbread and butter. Me and Colin are making a cheesecake because we're bored and we can't leave the house. Then we're going to mash up. Take out all your hangers.
I'm very experienced at doing this.
Hey, you look that butter.
Yeah.
Mix, mix, mix.
How to mix concrete like a box?
Oh, he's going for the spin technique.
You know. Hashtag maestro. This is non-coronavirus cake.
We have washed our hands. Oh shit. I told you to wash your hands. Melting our chocolate.
Look at these aesthetics. Watch out, Mum. This is what happens when you've been using your right hand for near enough 10 years now. Yeah, watch this.
So we've got our melted chocolate, and then we come over here. We've whipped our cream, we've got our cream cheese. We just need to wait on our chocolate to cool down. And Conin's making, what are you making?
Just glazing, strawberry sort of glazing.
Strawberry glazing to go on top of our cheesecake. So delish. For a moment, it took the form of a unicorn. Somebody's came to join me. Hello. Got my soil, specifically cacti and succulent mix. That sounds like fireworks. Why are you so excited about this? I can't open this Archie. I can't open it. Oh my goodness, I can't. Get open it. I'm gonna go get scissors and come back. Come back, I've got a spoon and some scissors. So much better. We're gonna cut open our soil, and I'm guessing I'm gonna just put some. Why are you so interested in this? What are you in? See, in soil and stuff, is there like worms and that in it? And I'm just going to take my wee one. Very sweet. And then we'll just take some more soil. I don't really know what I'm doing here, so don't follow by these rules. Sweet. Get a monumental moment happening. Ow, ow, ow. Didn't put any shoes on. Wanted to do this for ages, but I wasn't sure if the paint would come off. Seems okay.
Because it's masking tape, you just need to give it a rub. It's only dirt.
Oh.
Hello vlog! Happy Saturday! Merry quarantine! And stop.
Right, so I've watered my plants. I don't really know what else to do now. Kind of want to watch High School Musical, but it's also I have to in the afternoon. Is that appropriate? I feel like because we're on lockdown, anything's appropriate. Also got my 1 line a day to fill out. So maybe sit and do that. I think I've got like a few days to catch up with.
So what happens when he's fuck with daddy?
Taste test of our cheesecake.
Wow, man. That's hella Gucci. I actually think it would have been worse with the buffer.
Would you be worse?
That's peng, man. Like that, but it's what happens when you mess with the masters.
I'm fine, lagging.
Perfect balance between.
Lagging so bad. Okay guys, came to end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna go chill with my family now. Probably see you next week for another vlog because there's nothing else to do because we're stuck inside for 3 weeks. Okay, hope everyone's staying safe. Peace out. Bye.